Hostinger provides strong SEO foundations, fast loading via Lightspeed servers, auto SSL, CDN, and tools depending on your setup, website builder, built-in AI SEO, or WordPress hosting plugins. For Hostinger Website Builder, in the editor, click Sidebar, Website Settings, SEO Settings, or Per Page via Pages panel. Use AI SEO Assistant to generate keywords, meta titles, descriptions, and image alt texts. Edit page titles, descriptions, URLs, and add headings, H1, H6 with keywords. Add alt text to images for accessibility and ranking. Auto features, XML sitemap, robots.txt, mobile responsiveness handled. For WordPress on Hostinger, install plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math via hPanel, WordPress Auto Installer. Follow Hostinger's WordPress SEO checklist, keyword research, optimize permalinks, create sitemap, enable caching, verify site in Google Search Console, add via DNS in hPanel. Use AI tools like the Hostinger AI plugin for content suggestions.